Hi, good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome to Pankaj Sir's Echelon Tutorials. And today we are going to start with exercise 8 of chapter number 2, that is Algebra 1, from the David Reyner book, the fourth edition. And this is for the IGCSE curriculum mathematics. Okay. So in this exercise 8, as you can see on the screen, there are some 32 questions right now, but I suppose there are some total 50 questions in this exercise. So we have to get started with each and every question. Okay, so starting with exercise 8, question number 1, right? So question number 1 is in question number 1 to 16, you have to take A as 4, B as minus 2, and C as minus 3. So these are the values that are given for A, B, and C, which you have to plug in these formulas and you have to find out the values. Okay, the first one is A times B plus C. This is read as A times B plus C. Now this will be equal to, now A value I'm going to take as 4 bracket, B value I'm going to take as minus 2, and C value I'm going to take as minus 3. So plus of minus 3. Okay, and I'll close the bracket. Equal to. Now first you'll have to start from the inside, the inner of the bracket. Okay, from the core you have to start. So here I can see the core. So plus into minus will become minus. So this I'm going to write 4 as it is. This minus 2 I'm going to write as it is. And this plus into minus will be minus, and it will be minus 3. So this bracket is getting removed. Okay, so innermost bracket you have to work out first. So this was the innermost bracket that I have removed by multiplying plus and minus. Okay, plus into minus is minus, and then I got a 3. Now this is closing the bracket, the outer one. Okay, next I have this bracket to work out. So 4 I'll keep as it is, and this minus 2 minus 3 inside this bracket, you have minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 will work out to, because they are both having the same sign, I'll put the same sign and I'll just add the two numbers 2 and 3, 5. So minus 5. And last step will be removing this bracket. Now 4 into minus 5 will be minus 20. So the answer has to be minus 20 for the eighth question, first one. And that's absolutely correct. Okay. Now let us move on to question number 2. Question number 2 says that it's a square times a b minus c. So this I can write as a square means a I have to take what, 4, no? So 4 square times b is how much, minus 2, minus, and c is how much, minus 3, right? So as usual, you'll have to work out from the core of the bracket, the inside bracket first you have to work out. So this is what I'm going to work out first. So 4 square bracket minus 2, this will be minus into minus, a plus, and then 3, right? Then 4 square, and this bracket now I'm going to work out. Now minus 2 plus 3 should be plus 1, right? So now it will be 4 square is 16 into plus 1, which is equal to 16, plus 16 rather. So the answer for the second one is plus 16. Third one. Third says that it is 2c times a minus a c. Okay, 2c times a minus a c. Okay, this will be equal to, now 2 into c is how much, minus 3. That's it. Then a bracket, and a is how much, 4 I have to take, 4 minus, and c is how much, again minus 3. Fine. Okay. Now from the innermost bracket here I'll work out. So this will be, now this also I can work out. 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6. And here I'll get minus, and minus into minus is plus, so plus 3. Then minus 6 into this 4 plus 3 will be 7. And ultimately I'll get 7 into 6 is 42, but there's a minus sign over here, so minus 42. So the answer for the third one is minus 42, which is again absolutely correct. Okay, so 3 questions so far we have solved. Now let us move on to the next one. Okay, So let's go for the fourth one. Fourth question is this one. Okay, it's b square into 2a plus 3c, right? B square into 2a plus 3c. So this will be b is how much? B is a minus 2. So minus 2 square times 2 into a. A is how much? 4. Plus 3 times c. C is how much? Minus 3. Close the bracket. Now this will be now minus 2 whole square will be 4 because minus square is plus and 2 square is 4. So this bracket separately I have worked out. Now here I am going to open this smaller bracket. So 4 2s are 8 and this will become plus 3 into minus 3 will be minus 9. Next will be 4 times. Now 8 minus 9 is minus 1. So my ultimate answer will be 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. Fine. That was fourth one. Fifth, it's a c square times b minus 2a. This will be equal to c is minus 3 square times b is how much? Minus 2 and minus 2 into a. A is how much? 4. Fine. So this will work out to now minus 3 square will be minus square is plus and 3 square is 9. So it will be 9. And then I'll have a bracket. Then I have a minus 2. And this will be minus 2 times 4 will be minus 8. This will work out to 9 times. Now minus 2 minus 8 will be, both are having same sign. So I'll put that same sign. And I'll add the two numbers 8 and 2. That will be 10. So minus 10. Now 9 into minus 10 will be plus into minus is minus. 9 into 10 is 90. The answer for the fifth one is minus 90, which is again correct. Sixth one. Sixth is 2a square. Now see, this is 2a square, not 2a the whole square. Here you have to take care, okay, into b plus c, right? So this will be written as 2. A is 4, right? So 4 square, okay? Then a bracket, and b is minus 2 plus c is how much? Minus 3, okay? Fine. So this can be worked out separately. 4 square is 16 and 16 twos are 32. Fine. Now this, I'll work out the inner bracket first. So minus 2 plus into minus is minus and then 3. Next step will be 32 bracket. Minus 2 minus 3 will be, because they are having same sign, I'll put that same sign. And 3 and 2 I will add up to 5. So minus 5. My final answer will be plus into minus is minus. And 32 into 5 is 5 to the 10. 0, 1 carried, 5 to the 15 plus 1 is 16. So my answer will be minus 160, which is absolutely correct. Seventh one. 2 times a plus a b plus a c. This can be written as 2 times. Now I'll plug in the values. A is 4 plus b is minus 2 plus c is a minus 3. So this will work out to 2 times uh, now this inner brackets I'll remove. So this will be 4 plus minus is minus 2 plus minus is minus 3. Okay. This will be equal to 2 times 4 minus 2 I'll first evaluate. 4 minus 2 will be 2 and then minus 3. This will be 2 times 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and final answer will be 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So the answer for the seventh one is minus 2, which is again correct. Next is okay. Next one is the eighth one. Question number 8. Okay. 8. Question number 8 is it's 3c times a minus b minus c. Okay. So this will be 3. C ka value is minus 3. So I'll take minus 3. And then again a bracket. A ka value is 4 minus B ka value is minus 2. See, because the B is having minus 2 value, okay, I will use a bracket minus 2. Okay, it's very important when a variable is having a negative value, it is better to use a bracket. Okay, so minus of minus 2, then minus, and C is again having a negative value, so I'm putting that in a bracket again, minus 3. Is that clear? Now I'll work out the, because outside this bracket I have okay, this I'll work out first. 3 into minus 3 will be minus 9. Okay, then inside this bracket, this bigger bracket, the smaller brackets I'm going to work out first. How I'll work out? I'll put this 4. Now minus into minus is plus, and then I'll put 2. This is known as removing the bracket. So when I multiply the sign outside the bracket with the sign inside the bracket, that helps me in removing the bracket. So minus into minus, if I multiply and put plus, then when I put 2, I need not put the bracket again. Okay, then minus into minus is plus, so plus 3. That's it. Now minus 9, now this is pretty simple. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 minus 9 times plus 9 will be minus of 81. That's the answer for the 8th one, minus 81. Ninth one. Ninth one is, okay, it's a b square plus 2b plus a a. Okay, b square plus 2b plus a a. So let us put in the values. Now b is negative 2, so I'll write it inside a bracket. Minus 2 square plus 2 times minus 2, okay, plus a is how much? 4. Okay, that's it. Now minus 2 square will be 4, because minus square will be plus and 2 square will be 4. So plus 4. This I want to remove the bracket, so I'll multiply this plus and minus to make it minus. 2 into 2 to make it 4. Now the bracket is removed, okay, because I have multiplied out the signs. Then plus 4. Now what happens? This plus 4 and this minus 4, this will make it 0. Okay, you should know any number, any two numbers with the opposite sign, they club up to make it a 0. So plus 4 and minus 4 will be a 0, but you have this plus 4 along with that 0. So answer will be 0 plus 4 equal to 4. So plus 4 is the answer for the ninth question, which is also correct. Now coming to the 10th one. 10th one says that c square minus 3c plus a a. Now c is how much? It's minus 3, right? So minus 3 square minus 3 into, again c will be minus 3, so I'm putting in bracket, plus a is 4, so I'll put it 4. This will be minus 3 square will be minus square is plus, and 3 square is 9, so it will be plus 9. This will be minus into minus is plus, 3 into 3 is 9, so plus 9, and then this 4. Now this works out to 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 is how much? It is 22. So the answer for the 10th one has to be 22. So we have completed 10 questions from this exercise 8, and rest of the questions will continue in the coming videos. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye. Take care, all of you. See you.